you tired of hair fall? Well, it's time to turn to your kitchen for some natural remedies that could make all the difference. Let's start with the ultimate hair elixir, coconut oil. A warm coconut oil scalp massage not only nourishes your hair follicles but also strengthens those precious strands. Next up, the miracle plant, Aloe Vera. Its soothing properties not only stimulate hair growth but also calm any inflammation lurking on your scalp. And who would have thought the humble onion, packed with sulfur, its juice can revitalize your hair follicles, giving your locks the strength they need to stay put. Now on to everyone's favorite breakfast item, eggs. Loaded with protein and biotin, they are like a multivitamin for your hair. Whip up a mask and let your strands soak up the goodness. But wait, there's more in your fridge. Yogurt, the protein powerhouse. Slather it on as a mask to give your hair the strength and shine it deserves. Ah, the mighty Fenugreek seeds. Soak, grind and transform them into a paste. Your hair will thank you as it says goodbye to excessive shedding. Let's not forget the power of green tea. Its antioxidants work wonders for your scalp, while its ability to block DHT helps keep your hair firmly rooted. And last but not least, the golden elixir, castor oil. Massage it into your scalp to nourish your hair follicles and bid farewell to those pesky strands that keep slipping away. So there you have it, folks. Say goodbye to hair fall woes and hello to a kitchen full of natural remedies waiting to rescue your locks. So give them a try and let the transformation begin.